Hi friends, so recently I purchased a new laptop with Windows 10 and I wanted to connect my mobile phone with my Windows 10 PC, but there is no such option available to connect my mobile phone with my new Windows 10 PC. This is how I solved this error. So first let me show you the error that I was facing. First you need to click on the notification tab, click on it. Now you need to click on this connect button and here you will simply see an option that say projecting to this PC or project to this PC, but there is no such option available right now. The other option is you can simply click on the find other types of devices and it will take you to the Bluetooth and other devices option. Now click on the add Bluetooth or the other devices and click on the wireless display or dock. But again you will not be able to find your device over here. To solve this error, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that your device is connected with the internet. Let's see how you can solve this problem. First you need to click on the Windows button, click on the settings icon, click on apps, click on optional features, click on add a feature, and here you need to search for wireless display. Select the wireless display and hit install. After installing the wireless display, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, you can see the projecting to this PC option in the notification tab in the connect option. Let's see. Click on the notification button, connect, and now you can see there is option available now projecting to this PC. Just click on this. Let's launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Now you can see desktop is now ready to connect wirelessly with my mobile phone easily. And then I can wirelessly connect my display with my mobile phone. So this is how you can solve this error. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends. Please like this video, comment down below and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you cannot miss any update about our videos. Thank you for watching.